If you're looking for a natural solution to soothe that persistent cough, onion syrup might just be the answer. This simple remedy harnesses the power of onions, which have antimicrobial properties and can help reduce inflammation. To make onion syrup, slice a medium onion and layer it with sugar in a jar, allowing it to sit overnight. The sugar draws out the onion's natural juices, creating a syrup. Take 1 tablespoon as needed to ease your cough. The sweetness masks the sharpness of the onion, making it palatable. Remember, while this remedy can provide quick relief, always consult a healthcare professional for persistent symptoms. For more health tips, subscribe now.